think I've done this already. So I'll click on this sheet here and see this yellow cell. Here's the instructions as well. Before importing the file, click on the cell below the column heading sales record number, which is this cell here. So once I've clicked that cell, I'll go File, Import. Okay, so there's 4 tabs. I'll choose Upload. So I'm going to drag the file in. So I'll go find my file from here. I'll just drag it in. Okay, so we've got a few options. So that's the file name I'm going to import. I'll leave that, but this one I'll change. We've got to be careful here because I just want to replace the data at the selected cell. Okay, I'm not going to create a new spreadsheet. I don't want to insert a new sheet. I just wanted to paste the data at the selected cell. Import. Okay, so this is for Ozomart. Okay, so basically, just help you understand, this row here, it's just got formulas. So these are just formulas to compare that this column heading matches the column heading from the download file. Just in case, sometimes eBay makes changes. So this is just like a warning sign to if maybe they've inserted a new column or removed the column, or they've changed the name of a column. Okay, so that's all the columns in the import file. So everything looks okay to me. Okay, so next step is I'll make sure that this is for the right store. So I'll just choose Ozomart, and because that's going to get copied over to this orders database. So if I click on this, so starting from column starting from column N for no. So that gets copied across, and then this is the eBay. That's from the eBay download file. And this cell, sometimes it's possible that you might forget you download it twice. But it won't break anything. It's just that there'll be duplicates, it won't break anything at the moment. Okay, so let me go back here. All right, so there's 18 records. That's set. Okay, I'm going to do a check. Check records means it's going to check for duplicates. Are there any duplicate order numbers already in there? So let me just do this. Check records. Oh, no, get out of that. Do it again. Just start again. Okay, I just had to press click. Wait for the script to run. When you run it for the first time, it's a script, so it's going to ask you to confirm. You just need to press OK, because they just want to make sure that you want to run the script behind this button. Okay, so I'm just waiting. So it's basically what's happening is it's searching these order numbers, and if the order number exists already in this order number column, then it's going to highlight the duplicates in yellow. Okay, so it's a bit slow. That's because now we have we've got like over 2,000. Yeah, if I count the rows, there's a lot of rows. Yeah, that's already 3,800 rows. So that's a lot. So we're just waiting. Okay, while we're waiting for this, it's checking for duplicates. It's going to count. It's going to fill up these numbers here. Tell us the total number of records, which we know it's 18. How many are duplicates, and how many is going to get loaded in. And then once it highlights what's a duplicate, then if I click on load records, it will load it, or it will copy it over to this to the orders database. Okay. So still waiting. Okay, I'll come back to this because it's still running. So I'll just cover this sales order system. Okay, so basically I'll just go through the main columns. So we talk about this. This is how we quickly check if it's profitable by entering the numbers, and then it will tell us whether we're making a profit and the margin. And then we can decide whether to purchase or not. Okay, And then over here, okay, so the first few rows are test, but we're going down to row around 2000 and something. So I'll just scroll down. All right, so it's color coded by store. The red is Lovely Life, orange is Ozomart. Keep going, keep going, keep going. All right, here we go. Okay, so this is the most recent order. I'll just explain it. Okay, so that order, that's the item. This is the item number. So any column that's colored, it's a formula. You don't need to enter the information. If it's a white column, then you can fill in the information. So these ones are if you look over here, they're formulas. Okay. So that means all these white ones you fill in, and I'll keep scrolling across. I'll just explain that it's not working perfectly right now, but what I want to do is, because it relies on this item number, and then we've got a listing notes sheet here. That listing note, I was hoping to have the item number and then a list of supplier links here, and then basically it will find this item number. It'll show us the link and display it in here like that. That's how it should work, but it's not accurate. So this product is it's a sink, a kitchen sink, but I think this product is different. So yeah, it's not. Well, I'll improve it later when I have time. Okay, and then you paste in the link, or if it's dropship zone, you paste in the SKU, but it will be mostly the actual link you use to purchase. Okay, so you fill in the information, and over here, I'm going to make improvements here, so don't worry about that. But here, this is the resale. So this is what we sold it to the customer for. Okay, so the customer's paid. This is the total payment paid by the customer. There's general sale. There's GST, which is goods and services tax. But we'll go here. Blue is the eBay transaction fees. So here, this will tell us if there's. So again, this is a formula. It's a blue column. So it will just tell us, is there an ad fee or no ad fee. So if there is, yes, then you currently you enter in the ad fee. And then this is not accurate at the moment. It's not 8%. It's actually it's higher now. Okay, so it's on average going to be 10 to 11%. Now going across here. Okay, so these orange columns is for profit. The main thing is these two columns here. Okay, so that's the true profit, and that's the margin percentage on this based on the sale price. And then this is how we check how did I pay for the order. So just choose the right one. So the main one you'll use is credit card for American Express or credit card Visa. You might be using gift cards later. Yeah, we'll talk about that later. And then most of them are, once I've made the purchase, I'll set it to on delivery without tracking number yet. Okay, and then basically we put in the supplier's order number in this column here. Okay, and then we put in these are the ones I've purchased today. So it's got today's date, 12th of October. And then over here, currently we're not filling in this column yet, don't need to, because we're just updating it directly into eBay to save time. Okay, next is these are just retrieved from the eBay download file. So the date the customer paid for the order, the expected date we should be getting the tracking number to show on or before this date, but obviously we're drop shipping, so it's kind of hard, and that's why. But eBay measures us based on this date. Okay, and this is the expected shipping policy that should be used for the order. Most of them are Australia Post standard. Sometimes you'll see Express. We'll talk about that later. Okay, and let's go back. Let's see if it's finished. Import. Okay, so it's updated these numbers. There's no duplicates. If it was a duplicate, that will turn yellow. Anything duplicate will turn yellow. Okay, so it's got, so basically 18. Let's change. Yep, okay. Let's click on load. Sometimes this happens. Just save and close. Okay. Just my mouse is playing up. Dismiss, dismiss. Do it again. Okay. Click. Okay. Run the script.